Microsoft. Know your customer. How can I create the most friction-free shopping experience, no matter what channel my customer chooses to shop? How can I meet and exceed customers' expectations, at the same time optimizing my business performance? How do I create a seamlessly curated and personalized shopping experience across multiple channels? With Microsoft, the information you need to deliver a seamless, integrated multi-channel experience is right at your fingertips. Imagine it's the week before Christmas, and jewelers around the world are gearing up for a wave of customers looking for the perfect gift. The customers may be frequent customers, occasional browsers, or VIPs in the loyalty program. Global jeweler Michael Hill wanted to equip its sales professionals, marketing team, and business units with comprehensive customer data so they could delight each customer at every interaction, especially during the peak holiday season. Michael Hill began working with Microsoft and implemented Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Microsoft Power BI to drive its digital transformation from predictive analytics to a peerless point-of-sale customer experience, enabling them to deliver a truly personalized customer experience. The improvements Michael Hill have seen are second to none. The improvements in customer data access has made customer interactions smoother and more efficient, reducing a customer search that used to take 4 minutes to just a couple of seconds. And by running Microsoft AI and machine learning on top of its dataset living in the Microsoft Cloud, Michael Hill have added predictive analytics and personalization features, enabling product recommendation to its customers based on previous browsing purchasing behavior. When customers enter a Michael Hill store, they expect not only beautiful jewelry, but superior customer service. Microsoft Dynamics 365 has made it possible for Michael Hill to truly know and understand their customers. Microsoft empowers retailers of all categories and sizes to reimagine the way they bring together customers, their people, and their data to deliver the ultimate customer experience. Microsoft, enabling intelligent retail. Your customers, your people, your data.